Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report Chart Appraisals on Wednesday the 29th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at dollar yen, and we've still got, I think what the market's settled to a certain extent, but I think you've still got an appetite to buy the yen, and that's going to be a drag on the dollar yen. Generally across the board, dollar is weaker today, so perhaps arguably that is not necessarily to be unexpected, this dollar yen going lower, but still I think that this is indicative of what I think we see technically with the yen, which is sort of selling into strength. I don't think that's going to be changing unless there's a drastic change of sentiment, I think, from the Bank of Japan. So what we have got is this sort of minor unwinding yesterday, the unwinding candle, sort of 75, 76 ticks higher on the date, and a relatively decent candle, but certainly in the context of the massive down day candle that we saw on Friday, not a huge amount of recovery, and I think it will, as I said, it's already sort of drifted lower again, 40 ticks, so sort of unwinding that move anyway. So you've got that recovery to sort of 102.83, yeah, there it is, yesterday evening. But again, it's sort of lost a little bit of momentum in that move. Near-term momentum indicators rolling over, and again, it's sort of below this reaction high of 103.18, which ultimately I think is the sort of bottom of a fairly strong band of resistance. Really, sort of sell zone. I'd sort of call it 103.18 to 103.60 area, and even then you've got even higher towards sort of this 10. Get my crosshair, sort of 102 area, I think is a fairly strong resistance. So I mean, between 103.60 to 104 area, I think it's a pretty strong resistance. So I think rallies will be sold into, and I think that there's substantial reason to think that the recovery in this is not going to go too far before the bears come in and control it once more. And I think you get likely to see a retest of supports. 101.37 is the initial real support that comes in, which was this low here, yes, on Monday. But then you're sort of looking at the spike close from the Brexit decision, and that sort of brings back into play the sort of psychological 100 support, ultimately possibly even the 99.08 support. So as I said, I think rallies are going to be sold into on dollar yen, and I think that will continue to be the case in the coming days. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.